Hey Pi,
Agent Pi reporting for duty.
what's on my plate today?
We've got finishing up the literature review, setting up a meeting to talk about the literature review, starting prep for the deep learning mid-test, working on that essay about plant consciousness, sending out the invite for game night, and figuring out a gift for date night. I say we start with the literature review to get the heavy lifting out of the way.
Awesome. Can you check my email for the topic?
On it. Scanning your inbox now. Boom! Found it. The topic is, quote, GRPO, Group Relative Policy Optimization. All right, I'm firing up the deep research right away. This will take a few minutes. It's completed now, buddy. I put all of that into a new, organized Notion page for you, sources and all. And since I know you're lazy, I'm going ahead and scheduling the review meeting with your research team for day after tomorrow afternoon. Hey, I've just scheduled it. And now let me notify your research team. Just grabbing their emails. Got 'em. Now, sending a quick invite so it's locked in.
What's next?
Okay, now let me get your exam prep ready. Let me check my memory. As far as I recall, your professor focused on language models. I'll write up some solid notes. Hey, it's done! I created all the notes topic-wise with practice questions at the end so you can revise later. Now you have that essay work on that essay about plant consciousness. Let me finish that as well. Hey, it's done, buddy. Your essay is ready in Notion. I completed it for you. Hey, now you have game night left, buddy. I need your input here. Where is it happening? When is it happening? And what's the vibe?
It's happening at One Capon on June 14th, from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. There will be a lot of games and many people coming.
Sure, give me a sec. Let me get the usual suspects. Is it gonna be Kyo, Sanjay?
Yeah. That's everything right.
Hey, excuse me, what about the gift? You trying to sleep on your date?
Sorry Pi.
No problemo, bud. That's what I'm here for. Let me access our chat history. Okay, I remember in your previous conversation with her, she's super into squirrels. You should get her a cute stuffed squirrel. And I found out they range from $15 to $30 on Amazon. You can't mess that up.
Thanks Pi.
Just don't ghost me when you fall in love, okay? Go charm your girl.